Guys, Brian back here with a Pepe update. Want to get a video out here today. This thing is, you can see it's having a little bit of a pullback here. I've done 2 videos on this coin. Just wanted to throw out there, the last video I did, I said, there's a lot of creators of this coin, that were sitting, back here in the beginning of this thing, alright? So, when it was a lot lower than it is now, it's done an 8x in the last week, okay? So, just beware, you see these red candles, at some time, these guys or group or people are going to want to take some profits on here. So I'm just throwing that out there, and who knows, this thing could go a lot higher, or it could crash to nothing from right here. So if you're in some profits, just please consider taking them. If we look at the technicals on this thing right over here, these are the technicals on TradingView. The summary is it's still in a buy for the technicals. The moving average is a strong buy. The oscillators are telling you to sell, okay? Sometimes these things are like a day behind, I've done these charts for years now, and these technicals, they seem to be lag a little bit, all right? But if we go down here and look, you can see the last 1 week, all right, with this pullback, it's done a 6x. Last 1 month, it's done an 8x since it's come on TradingView. All right, I'm sure if you got in, I'm not sure if this thing had an ICO or not, or if a pre-sale, but I'm sure people got in a lot cheaper than that right now. But an 8x on your money, in crypto is pretty average. Well, it's not even average, really. It's just normal to 8x your money in crypto. So just, I don't know, consider, you do what you want. I'm not a financial advisor at all, but you might want to take a couple bucks off the table. Couldn't hurt to take your initial investment off and ride the rest out, see what happens. But we put a Fibonacci on this thing. This thing has bounced right back to that 618 right here, all right, which on a bullish coin is a very good area for it to bounce. The 618 to 702. A lot of guys, when they're taking long positions, they'll wait for that pullback to the 618. The 702 area, sometimes you don't get a chance to get in there, especially on a very bullish coin, all right? But one thing on this TradingView chart, all right, there's decreasing volume in this thing, all right? So that's one sign you don't want to see. And if this is a 5-wave up, and it absolutely could be, let's put a trend-based fib on this thing and see what it is saying. All right, if it is a 5-wave up, it could have some juice left, all right? Your 4th wave pullback is going to be your biggest corrective wave in the structure, and your 3-wave is going to be your longest wave, all right? So if this is a 5-wave up, and if there is another wave up on this thing, I don't see it doing the full 4.236. Of course, I really didn't see it going as high as it did either. But a 5-wave up, if you're not familiar with a 5-wave, would be Elliott wave, would be something like that. Okay, I'll give you a picture of it here. This is what the Elliott wave theory is. You're in a bullish trend, all right? You have your 5 waves up, and then you have an ABC correction, and then you continue on your way up. All right, so just be careful out there, everybody. Just wanted to give you a heads up what the technicals look like, the 4-hour. And if you could, please hit the subscribe and like button. I would appreciate that so very much. Helps me out a lot, and that'd be great. But the 4-hour RSI is actually bearish on this thing. It has bearish divergence here. All right, you had rising price, and the RSI is obviously trending down while price is trending up, which means you could be losing some steam here. And quite honestly, it does look like it could be a 5-wave up. I don't know. We'll have to wait and find out. I don't see anything that let's see what this move here was right here with a Fibonacci. I want to check this move right here. Pretty close to that 702. Alright, if it was doing an ABC thing would look almost pretty close to complete. Okay, usually your A wave is equal to your C leg, all right, which would be a if you're not familiar with charting or anything like that, that's why I looked here. It'd be A, B, C down. You know, maybe this could be a top. It's hard to say. It really is. You know, you could. It's going to depend on if the thing has any more juice or not left in it. But you take your A wave, the length of your A wave is equal to the length of your C wave. This came close to that A, B. You'd put this on top of that B, and it would give you the depth of your C leg. They don't always go 1-to-1, but they're always pretty close. All right. This thing could have bottomed here. The RSI, the 1 hour RSI is at the bottom. Looks like it's trying to jump up here. So let's go through them. The 4 hour is just at the bottom, about ready to head up. The 12 hour is 3/4 of the way down. And the 8 hour is almost at the bottom. Yeah, so this thing could have another jump coming in it. Not sure. We'll have to see. But the technicals, the relative strength indexes are resetting on this thing. So hey, please hit the like and subscribe, guys. We'll see what happens with this thing. Maybe it has one more leg up, a 5th wave up, and boy, I don't know. I would really consider taking some cards off the table at that time. So hey, everybody, have a great night. Thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching the video.